Hello everyone, this is another video about the unit is 5 and I'm going to teach you the subject is called IWT. The concept behind the IWT is just a web application and the topic we are going to discuss about the unit 5. The concept of the unit 5 is a PHP and MySQL and I'm going to explain you what is the PHP and MySQL. So PHP is just a language, like a scripting language, which is used in the uh, backend, like a scripting language, server-side scripting language. And MySQL is just a database software. So in the real world, we are storing, we are need to store the data in uh, permanent, the secondary storage. We can use in another anytime. So like just a student which is have a name and numbers and age and qualifications and the current status of the student where he studies and the multiple data which is need to be done stored in permanent. So we store the we use MySQL databases. So MySQL is just a software and the database is a collection of data in table format data. So MySQL use the SQL language. SQL is a just a structure query language need used to store data in MySQL database like CRUD operation, create data, read operation, delete data, update data. So there are various uh, operation on the database software, and as well as we create various tables, various creating table, deleting tables, and updating tables. So there is a too many operation on the database software is like MySQL database. So how we can communicate uh, how to we store data from front end to back end? We just need two technology. The first technology is PHP language, which is a collect data from the front end and process data and the result need to be stored permanently. So we use MySQL database. So just collecting data from front end using forms. Forms commute the data from front end to back end, and back end they are going to store where where we use language PHP to hold the data in variables and communicate with the MySQL database and going to create the tables and how the table is created using the language PHP and how the data is stored using the PHP language to the MySQL database. So I'm going to explain you the introduction of PHP and MySQL. So you need to be understand slowly. It's just you can see there like an introduction to PHP and MySQL. So PHP is just a server-side scripting language, and MySQL is a relational database management system. Yani means relational database management system means two data are related a particular situation. For example, a student related to teacher, teacher related to the student with the particular situation. So PHP is a language which can we can be build a logic to store data or process data of CRUD operation using the PHP language. MySQL is just like a data storage system. So PHP and MySQL uh, communicate each other to create login system registration or basic CRUD operation which need to be the store data from front end to back end and back end to front end. There are the various methods like create, read, update, and delete operation. So for these operations make the website easily dynamic from back end to front end. The basic MySQL commands with the PHP example here are here we can see there. The command is usually used. There are the, you can see there, just to use the less than greater than with question marks, and just type PHP, and we can see there, we can create a connection from PHP language to the MySQL. There is a driver which need to be installed. We can type here just MySQL connection, and local host is a local machine server, and root is a just user ID password. And how the database name, what is the database name, we here we can uh, store. So when we create a connection using the driver for the MySQL database, here also I'm going to check the connection is ready or not. So just create a program to check how the connection is established from my PHP language to MySQL. Here are the code. We can here you can see there. There is a parameter in the connection is like just a parameter the host IDs, username, password, and database name. So these attributes and collection of attributes to create a connection between the PHP language and the MySQL database. After the connection of the PHP language and database, we can create tables like here you can see creating table. Like this is the syntax of the creating table. You can see there dollar symbol to be the creating the variables, and you can see there the how the variable is created using the dollar symbols, and uh, how the database created. Here you can see there create database college names database are created by the MySQL database, and here also the query language we can use MySQL query connection and SQL two term two term uh, two term of the parameter I'm going to pass in the this function. This is the uh, PHP and MySQL database connectivity function. You can see there, and selecting database, the query command here MySQL select the database connection, passing to parameter connection, which is the hold the driver, and collection college is just a database name. Creating database, I'm going to explain you the how the listing database, so database using PHP. Uh, uh, if I need to be see how what type of the database created, so I'll just put the this command to the show the all the database using this command. The result is just a variable, and MySQL query. This is a query query executor function, and I'm going to pass the driver, and the there is a second parameter is what type of need to be the request from database. So there is a two parameter, and I'm going to the using loop to fetch data one by one using the while loops, and there are the parameter of the result, and you can see there each echo, and variable name is row, and these data come from the database in the array formats. So we can only just using the subscript uh, variable to we can show one by one the data formats, listing uh, listing table names, and another command of the uh, query language. So there is a several command we can create a database using PHP language, and you can also see there the name of the variable. We can if I want to store a name, or if I want to store a age, so there is a data types of the databases. Where carries the data types of the databases, where we can store a string database, string names like student names, and edge is a int type data types. In the database, we can integer value store on the variable. And also, then I'm going to the MySQL query connection and SQL to submit the data from uh, PHP language to the MySQL database. There are the command to insert data in database in the data tables, like SQL command insert into student name and an age, and also the values of the students, like Gaurav and 22 is the age. So this is the command of the query language. We can store data from PHP language to the MySQL language. Also, we are going to remove the database using the alter command. There is a alter command to remove the table. So there is a various command to store the data and delete the data from the database. We can use a PHP language and database query language, SQL language. That's all about the structure query language and the PHP language. Thank you.